Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use Google Calendar appointment schedule feature. It's just like Calendly, but it lets you pick block of time that you free for appointments. That could be for call or invite to other things. So here how to do it. First you go to calendar.google.com. Now you're inside your Google Calendar. Click Create button in the top right corner, then click on Appointment Schedule. It opens a new window and give it a title like Call. You can change the title if it's for something specific like Sales Call. Now you can also set your appointment duration, and I'm going to set it for 30 minutes so it will give you more time slot. Now you can choose your general availability. So it means like which day and times you are free. For example, you are free for Monday from 9 to 5 and Wednesday from 11:30 to 6:30. And if you're unavailable, then just take the day off. Make sure your time zone is also correct. Now set the scheduling window, like how early can someone book you, or you can choose 24-hour in advance. So that means they cannot book a call unless it at least 1 day ahead. And you can book up to 2 months. Now you scroll down and you can also choose a calendar, or you can just choose your personal one. Then click next again. And now you will see a booking page, this, and it will show your Google profile picture. Now you can pick a location, and it's basically your Google Meet, and it will make a meeting link and send it by email. Even if you like, you can add a note like bring XYZ to the call. Then set up your booking form. It asks for your first name, last name, email address, or you can add more like your phone call. Even you can custom this, something like YouTube channel link if need. Then you will get a confirmation email, and so will the person who booked. Now click Save. Now you can preview your booking page. And people can choose a time, and even they can enter info and then click book. So both of you will get an email with a Google Meet link. It's super easy. And even if you want, you can share the link. Go to share and just copy the link. Then if you want to find your appointment schedule again, just click on any dates, then choose to appointment schedule, then choose edit your appointment schedule. Then if you want, you can change your dates. You can even block dates for like your holidays. Even you can choose your custom time if you like. And even if you want, you can repeat it weekly, or doesn't. If you don't want to repeat it never, then you can also click that. Even you can custom the time as well. And think like you can also set a specific availability for different dates. If you're going away, you can block the time, and that's it. That's how you use your appointment scheduling in Google Calendar. And I hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in my next video.